Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. So this is just a quick video to show the takedown of my pipe cleaners, and I did leave them in for about 4 to 5 days. So I'm just unraveling the top piece that I clamped down to close the pipe cleaner, and I will have to say that I probably should have left a bit more pipe cleaner so it was a bit easier to loosen the pipe cleaner from my lock. So at first I was going against the curl, and I figured out that it was just easier to unravel the pipe cleaner in the direction of the curl. That way I didn't disturb it. With the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's chase this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. And here is the final look. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not it. Ain't a home when you're not it. Hard to grow when you're not it. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.